What's up guys? So this is Ern and papunta tayo ng Bohol. Sasalubungin tayo nila Juvie doon. Fiesta season nga pala sa Bohol ng buong May. Magiging masaya itong point of view natin sa video na to. So enjoy the rest of the video. Alright. What's up? Domestos. Oh.
Sunrise paints the open sky pack your dreams, it's time to fly. Every step a brand new way, feel the rush, today's the day. Mountains high, oceans wide, with every breath we come alive.
And guys,
we're chasing horizons, wild and free, uncharted roads and endless seas, with hearts on fire and eyes so bright. This is a
wala ano yung mga panakit o
grabe dito guys.
hindi mo
Overwhelming pagkain. Hindi kami nakalaki.
silent vlog.
adventure starts the moment you decide. Come on, let's chase those horizons wide. Mountains high, oceans wide, with every breath we come alive. We're chasing horizons, wild and free, uncharted roads and endless seas, with hearts on fire and eyes so bright. This is our moment on the light.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Opo, thank you. Kita kits.
We're chasing horizons, wild and
Baka nasa ilalim na.
Malayo pa yung nakali.
yan na yun, dyan tayo magdadive.
Ano na yun?
Iba yun, bukas yun.
adventure starts the moment you decide. Come on, let's chase those horizons wide.
Yo,
So yun,
against the lane.
guys, mga kulisap, tapos na kami mag-free dive after 2 days and 3 night na free dive. Umahon kami. Ngayon, babalaw na. So, kita-kits sa next video. 3 days and 2 nights. Okay.
Dito ka na.
Alright guys,
Sige lang, Jubes. Sige.
first day usually end.
Shout down.
So dito pala yung Napali. Mag-enter.
Tawag dito sa Thailand.
Sana mo lang magawa. Sams.
Hindi mo na ako dito. Nis, Nike. Nakanyik. Uy, ganda gag. Stoinks. OP-OB ang putik. Wala na ako yung olok. Tingin.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa terminal. Kakagaling lang namin mag-free dive. And sobrang sulit ng day 1 namin. Thank you din kay Kuya na nag-assist namin. Tomorrow makikita namin siya ulit.
Kuya Jimmy.
Si Kuya Jimmy. Shoutout sa'yo. And takit na kami ng bus. Papunta kami sa tutuluyan namin.
Hindi ko na kasi yan ginagawa.
Huwag na, lasing na ko. Yeah.
Kasi hindi ako
Oh, yeah, pa ba?
dire-diretso. Kaya
Point of view.
Uminom siya? Ang gagi, ang lakas talaga ng power mo. Pag ako mumili doon, di naman sa akin eh. Bibiro para. Ubusin na, ako na isa eh. Sarap no? Bakit? Mas mga na yung
Meron music. Ganda music yan eh.
Ay, ang music na ba to?
Nasa story.
Oo, sardinas. Sardinas na.
Good morning, good morning. So, we're prepping.
Beautiful day
We're prepping.
today.
Day 2 it is. Day 2 na, di ba? So, prepping na kami for another dive.
Yeah. Gonna do
Ito yung tinuloyan namin na kwarto. So, thank you very much po.
Of course, there's an islands here kasi gagawa kami ng island hopping kami.
Thank you very much po sa mga kamag-alaks.
Totoo.
Pero pag andyan si Mama Lising, syempre, apat na to.
Tapo ka na ba na biga?
Okay guys, so nakababa na kami ng jeep. Ito, pasakay na kami ng Ceres. Southern Star. Commute lang tayo guys.
Pwede big.
Okay guys, dito kami sa Alones. Excuse me.
Gano'n shit, sino iwan ko dun? Naba ako bigla dito.
So, dito kami ngayon sa Alonas Beach. Punta kami sa aming tour. Another dive na naman. Let's go. Alona. Panglao Bohong. Alona Beach. Guys, Alona Beach. Anong gagawin dito? Ba't nilagyan ng dike? Meron ng dike, guys.
Wala, di ba? Parang wala masyado.
Guys, no, may mga lumot-lumot din pala dito. Uy, 7 Evelyn. Merong 7-Eleven pala sa Alonas. So yan din pala yung nagpapaputi ng beach dito para sa Boracay.
Dili, uy, gadala naming food.
Tensya na po. Hey, thank you. Tensya na po, late. So nandito na kami guys sa Balikasag Island. Yan, Balikasag Island yan guys.
Yung mga pangkalilig na yan,
Ayan.
nirerentahan yan for 1 hour, 100 per pack. Pero kami, hindi kami magagawin yan dahil sarili kami tour guide. So nandito lang kami mag-drop off dun sa island.
And baka hindi ka marinig na ito.
Dahil lakas ang trip namin.
Wake up with the sun on my face, a salty breeze and a warm embrace. Barefoot walking to the tide, goggles on, I'm ready to dive. Cold colors, turtles swim by, weightless like a bird in the sky. No worries, just the beat of the sea, that's the island life for me. Down in the blue, I'm feeling free. Under the waves, just the ocean and me. Island deep, where my heart can sleep. One love, one breath, in the water so sweet. Every day's a gift so fine. Sun and sand, and coconut wine. The world above moves way too fast, but down below, the peace will last. Fish is dancing in a reef parade. Nature's rhythm, it never fades. I find my soul in every tide. In the sea, I come alive. Down in the blue, I'm feeling free. Under the waves, just the ocean and me. Island deep, where my heart can sleep. One love, one breath, in the water so sweet. Fishes dancing in a reef parade. Nature's rhythm, it never fades. I find my soul in every tide. In the sea, I come alive. Down in the blue, I'm feeling free. Under the waves, just the ocean and me. Island deep, where my heart can sleep. One love, one breath, in the water so sweet. Skanking on the shore when the dive is done. Reggae on blast in the setting sun. Island life is the life I choose. No need to win, no way to lose. Down in the blue, I'm feeling free. Under the waves, just the ocean and me. Island deep, where my heart can sleep. One love, one breath, in the water so sweet. Yeah, one love, one breath, in the water so sweet.
Sun's up, sky so blue. Flip-flops on and nothing to do. Jump in, feel that splash. Time slows down, but we're moving fast. enjoy with every frame. In the sun we play no games. We got waves and laughter, floating free ever after. Good vibes rolling like the tide, living wild, water by our side. Cameras rolling, smiles wide. We're chasing fun with no guide. Dripping joy with every frame. In the sun we play no games. We got waves and laughter, floating free ever after. Good vibes rolling like the tide, living wild, water by our side. Let's dive in, no worries at all. Splashing stories, big and small. Make this moment, catch it all. Feel the joy, we're having a ball. Waves and laughter under the sun, just good times, so much fun. No stress, no script, just ride with the crew and the ocean wide. Waves and laughter under the sun, just good times, so much fun. No stress, no script, just ride with the crew and the ocean wide.
Five daw lahat. Pero sa plano na siya.
Thank you very much, Chi.
We appreciate everything. Ay, iwan na yan.
Iwan na yan? Thank you po. Oh!
Hello! Hi guys!
Hi.
Hi vlog! Ah, hello!
Ay nga pala.
Tama na, mag-bye na.
Sakit din ang tenga ko.
Walang tayo naiwan.
Kasi kuya, ang fresh.
Fresh na day!
Ba't kami mukha kaming ano? Mukha kaming na to yung ano?
Daing.
Para kaming pinato yung daing.
Dalawa fresh.
Okay guys, bale magla-lunch lang kami, kakain lang kami sa kahit nasaan dito. Tapos na kami mag-shower dito sa Alona Beach, 40 pesos.
Yup.
Nakaligo ka na, okay naman. So ito, papunta kami ng lunch kasi lunch time na. Alright guys, go.
Ito na kami ngayon sa lugar kung saan kami magla-lunch. Kami in-order namin 3 buong chicken. Sunrise sila. Ito yung pangalan ng store. Go siya.
Hello.
Parang ano, Americana. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Mamista ko nyo.
Sige, go! Chat ha!
Makaulit ko.
Mag-GC tayo, mag-GC. Bye-bye!
Doon nga tayo. Tayo iwan natin yung gamit natin.
Tapos na naman ba tayo?
So nag-aabang kami ng bus. Ililipat na kami ng pwesto.
Hirap.
Boss!
Baka naman boss. Yun pala, nasa ano kami, Boss Macchiato.
Bossing! Yeah!
A1. Ha?
Negative.
Ay, hindi pala.
Meron pa po.
Hindi, natamaan ko ng kamay niya. 2 beses na yun. Yun yung gusto ko sa sagot. Dito ka nakatira. Hi, see ya.
Saan ka?
Nandito tayo.
Babalik ka mamaya.
Kami dito na mere.
Bye.
Tama na?
Babalik, thank you. Dito tayo mamaya.
Pagawa mo na to, Job. Kalsada.
Oo nga. Yung pagawa mo na to.
Meow. Sa galing, kuya? Ba't nakaganyan ka pa?
Lang, nagkopra. Ito.
Nalagyan ng kopra.
Ito mga kopra to.
Ayos lang po. Hello po.
Vlogger.
Hello po. Hello po. Hello po. Hello po.
Mapamangkin ko yan.
Sino to? Sino to? Ang pangalan nito?
Ito yung nakasama natin sa travel guide natin.
Wi-Fi.
Nakakaumay, no? Plus na lang. Parang daw makakalakad bukas.
Sol pa.
May password pa.
Hackdog ka.
We're going to party all night.
Paray na.
Good morning guys. So we're tikloping our hinigaans.
And galing kami sa party kagabi. Uminom kami ng madami. Pero tingnan nyo kami ngayon. Walang hangover. Ganun kami kalakas. Joke. Ang sakit na ulo namin. Experience namin sa disco. Sabihin namin mamaya. After 10 minutes, ito na kami. Kaganda na namin. Pinapakita sa camera na masipag tayo eh. Guys, ganito.
Dito talaga sa
Ito ang tamang behavior kapag inano ko or pinatira kayo sa isang probinsya. Dapat nag-uusa kayong tignan yung mga hinigaan nyo.
Balik sa dyan.
Courtesy na din sa nagpatira sa amin. And napakabait nila. Really appreciate them. They always check on us kung okay kami. Hindi naman ito tignupin, no?
Okay guys, meron na tayo dito vintage Wallace Tambo.
Ikaw ang answer na yan, Len!
Hindi po, parang di po kami maalis gas. Kape tayo guys, kape. Ay, hindi pala siya kape. Squatty. Chocolate Hills. Itlog tayo guys. Morning. With the view. Good morning, good morning.
Sabay.
Itlog. Tapos chocolate.
Ikuan, saman.
Tara. Nalitsulo na. Kaya na. Si Nanay. Fiesta dito guys. Si Nanay na sobrang sipag maghiwa. Hustler ka pa rin na maghiwa na ya.
Okay guys, kain tayo. Ito na ang ating breakfast. Anong tawag dito, Juke?
Hindi ko alam. Naman loob baboy.
Laman loob, tapos sinugba.
Ano to?
Lato-lato.
Lato-lato.
Okay guys, good morning. Kain tayo.
Kain guys. Lamihag sudan guys. Ang akong sudan guys.
Sudan man ay chicken sudan. Hello po.
Hi, Ann! Oy, hello! Anak ba vlog siya?
Hello po tayo.
Barkada Morongo.
Sabi ni Jun Ern, bakit daw hindi gabi?
Punta po muna kami sa likod. Nature tripping.
Kaya pala ang bait. Mayaman sa utak.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Thank you, Timmy.
Ingatan po namin. Alright. Salamat po. Oo. Dito na po kami sa mayaman naming pamilya.
Ayun, tara mo.
Takbo! Takbo sila pabalik eh. Alright, and the food parking. Ganda yun. Likod. Gags na gaganda.
Here at Anda, ang ganda ng dagat. Flat na flat yung tubig. Ewan pang ganito, puno. May mga bangka. Ganyan.
Gang.
Masarap?
Masarap din sila ng budo. Kaya sabi ko dito may masarap.
Okay guys, we're finished here. Finish here.
Asa, pwede man, o niya, kuwan po, nakikita ko kayo, yanan.
Job yan sa lamin ah. Alright, so tapos na kami doon. Dito, papunta na kami sa Banlawan, which is bahay nila Siamay. Alright guys, let's go. So yun guys, so yun nga, pagka manghihiram kayo ng motor, syempre linisin nyo na rin bago ibalik, diba? Ayan, si Melok ngayon, nililinis. Maraming salamat po pala sa nagpahiram ng motor sa amin. Alright, ayan yung mga motor namin. Dito na kami, pauwi na kami. Thank you po, thank you. Alright. 395 mo? Compute na mga nagastos.
May God ever bless you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday,
Good morning. So, breakfast.
Isang puro 1.5
Charohon.
Okay.
Kape. Pesta na dito. So, prepping na. Chocolate. With coffee. Sikwati chocolate with coffee. Chocolate. Coffee.
Oo.
Yun, breakfast dito. Chicharon.
Simula daw. Huwag na daw gawin.
Ay, ulit mo!
Sa dagat mo siya kakain ng sarap. Gutom na gutom.
Kaya po.
Go, go! Sige na, mag-blow na.
1, 2, 3.
Happy Fiesta!
That's quality mo yung ano.
Okay. Pagmamata ka talaga eh. Gawa na
Hello guys! Nandito ako ngayon. Hindi ako may hawak ng point of view. Point of view po ni Melok ngayon.
Shot on. POV.
Kadiri yung alak.
Hindi na masarap.
Yeah, mayroon po. Meron po, andun no. Pambabae lang po.
Dito. Ano kayo? Wala kayo upuan nun eh. Wala kayo.
Meron po, duyan. Duyan po.
Duyan lang. Mamaya tayo wag.
POB. Tube. Happy Fiesta. So guys, ngayon ihatid lang namin sila Shami sa Anda and Tampisaw onte, tapos balik. Alright, let's go. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Salamat po. Tara. Saan pa kayo dadaan?
Doon din, mauna na tayo. Go! Tagal pa naman ang luto.
Mga joinings. Oh. Lami na.
Wow!
Oh, kita. Oh, makita. Dara tatay, yun to.
Wah, sakit na.
Oh, kita man tatay, sige gliho ko.
Nakato ka din pag tulas anay, pag tulas ni nito sa unan.
Hello. Pati nga sa amin eh, mabait na siya.
Nakainom ko na ng tubig.
Ayan na.
Diyan man ako. Oh, basta to. Diyan na yan.
Kain po ulit.
Kamu ante.
Uy, sarap. As. Uy, thank you Sham sa handa mo, ang dami. Happy birthday. Milok, thank you ah. Nagabala ka pa, Lok.
Oy, naisala diyan sa
Related.
Kaya kasi
natin yan.
Kain guys! Lamian guys!
Tapos ganyan yung view guys, oh. Ayan yung view namin. Oh. What a perfect. Ayun, nakasan.
ligo na.
Ha?
Si Lester gusto yan. Namoy pa.
Dumila pa eh.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Conventing.
Wala na.
Qualitoinks.
Wheels up, bold a canvas wide, chasing dreams on wings we ride. Behold, breeze, the call so clear, a place where memories appear. Every step we take, every smile we share, moments like these, beyond compare.
Look, ito.
We're making memories that last forever, underneath the sun and stars together.
Dinaanan natin guys.
From rolling hills to the ocean song, in Bohos heart we both belong.
yan.
Sun-kissed days and ocean deep, secrets in the ways we keep, laughing loud, hands held tight, adventures glow in fading light. Every laugh we share, every view we find, carves a story, timeless and kind. We're making memories that last forever, underneath the sun and stars together. From rolling hills to the ocean song, in Bohos heart we both belong.
Alright.
No rush, no end, just here and now. With every breath we take a vow to hold these days, these skies so blue. Forever Bohol, me and you. We're making memories that last forever. Underneath the sun and stars together. From rolling hills to the ocean song, in Bohol's heart we both belong. Forever Bohol, forever true. A place, a time, just me and you. Fills up the world's a canvas white, chasing dreams on wings.
So papunta kami ngayon sa local coffee shop dito. Whew, sa Anda. Meron siyang top view. Ito yung coffee shop. Akit muna kami sa taas.
May bandera daw.
Uy. Banderitas.
Ano to, training ka? Ano kakit eh?
Ay, nako.
Training.
Makikita na natin ang kinabukasan. Guys, ito yung 360 ng ano namin. View namin ngayon dito sa Anda, Bohol. Ay, grabe. Ay, grabe. Kita nyo guys.
Breeze, the call so clear, a place where memories appear. Every step we take, every view we find, oh, and laugh we share, every view we find. Cars a story, timeless and kind. We're making memories that last forever, underneath the sun and stars together.
Very clean. So yun guys. Grabe talaga pag dab yung ano.
Dahil 10 food anhi o 6 ano. Yan ano.
Ano kailangan gawin? Tulungan ko.
Kain muna tayo. Anong tawag sa ulam natin?
Barbecue.
Nakain tayo na po.
Morning sun breaks over ice-filled dreams, laughter rising with the soft sunbeams. Engines hum like a song we know.
Yun, so malapit na kami, papunta kaming Carmen. And ito, around Bohol na namin to. And medyo yan, medyo umuulan, pero okay lang yan. Sama yan sa laro. Alright.
The road feels brand new with my family and my chosen crew. Wheels on the wind, hearts on the rise, open road beneath Bohol skies. Every mile's a memory we'll replay. In the warmth of a golden bay, riding through the fields in time, with my barcada feeling fine. This is life, this is love, this is free. Bohol countryside, you're home to me. chocolate hills rolling in the haze.
Guys, kape muna tayo guys, kape. Lock. Mainit na eh, kaya kape muna tayo. Alam mo naman tayo, tostado na oh. Alright, kape-kape. Order. Mura lang oh guys oh. Katabi to nung ano eh, nung ship something. Ayan, yung ship house. Salamat po pala talaga sa nagpapagamit ng motor. Kuya ano? Kuya Alon. Alright.
On all of us. Wheels on the wind, hearts on the rise. Open road beneath all skies. Every mile's a memory we'll replay. In the warmth of a golden bay, riding through the fields in time. With my Barcada feeling fine. This is life, this is love, this is free. The whole countryside, you're home to me. No need to rush, we're already there. With every breeze, tangled in our hair. From end of coast to low bar ride, we're chasing joy, not just the tide. Wheels on the wind, hearts on the rise. These days are light behind our eyes. Oh, you gave us more than you. You gave us stories, old and new.
Laki ng tertiary oh. Tip.
Wake with the dawn, feel the cool in the air. Dust on our boots, but we don't have a care. Laughing through rivers, running through fields, chasing the dreams that the daylight reveals. And oh, the world's so wide, we've got no maps, but we've got time. Miles of sky, hearts so light, fire in our souls and stars in our eyes. Everywhere we go, the wild winds know we're free as the rivers, wild as the night, with miles and miles of sky. Stories unfold in the flicker of flames. Old songs and new ropes, they're calling our names. The woods know our laughter, the hills know our dreams. We move with the rhythm of whispering leaves. And oh, the world's so wide, got no maps, but we've got time. Miles of sky and hearts so light, fire in our souls and stars in our eyes. Everywhere we go, the wild winds know we're free as the rivers, wild as the night, with miles and miles of sky. Stories unfold in the flicker of flames. Old songs and new roads, they're calling our names. The woods know our laughter, the hills know our dreams. We move with the rhythm of whispering leaves. And oh, so wide. We've got no maps, but we've got time. Miles of sky and hearts so light. Fire in our souls and stars in our eyes. Everywhere we go, the wild winds know we're free as the rivers, wild as the night. Miles and miles of sky. We've mounted these endless skies, found the best parts of our lives. No way, no walls, just open calls and miles of sky to fly. Soaring.
Okay guys, kain kami dito ng barbecue. Kami dito, nandito kami sa Hagna Bohol. Ayan.
Anong pangalan? Sa akin ano?
That's it.
Change all of the full tank. Takdan logo.
That's taste din. Gawin naman kayo sa live. Joke din yan.
Ako na po, tingnan ko yung mga bibidyo kong mali-mali.
Saan kayo kumain sa lado? Hindi na sila nagpanglaw eh.
Hindi na daw.
Uwi na sila diretso.
Hindi, okay lang.
Sabi nila?
Ikaw palo, ba't ako walang phone?
Oo, magano.
Agpupan din na. Di ba? Oh, masado. May rice pa.
Ito na lang. Ayun na lang sa'yo daw. Ito ano?
Ayan o.
Dito mo gano'n o. Hindi na mainit.
Wala ka sa live.
Wala pa po. Sabi na, ang laki daw ng like. Ang dami daw ng
Last day namin ngayon. Dito kami sa Anda. Nagda-dive. Alright.
Waking up to the sun's embrace, golden rays on a sandy place. Waves are dancing, calling me. Let's dive into the summer spree. Oh, the sea, it whispers dreams, and the blue where the sunlight beams. Every wave, a story to tell. In this wonderland, we'll find our spell. Shells and treasures beneath our feet. Laughter echoes, life feels sweet. Breezes carry the saltest spray, making memories in the light of day. Oh, the sea, it whispers dreams, endless blue where the sunlight beams. Every wave, a story to tell. In this wonderland, we'll find our spell. Chasing sunsets, colors collide. With every time, we feel alive. Under the stars, let's dance and sway. In this magic we'll forever stay.
Mga bigo eh. Wala, medyo low yung vase kanina. Tas, ayan. Saglit lang kami nag-dive. Punta naman kami ng mga ano ngayon, na fall. Alright.
we're chasing the skies. Two wheels, one road ahead, hearts wide open, no words said. Mountains rise, rivers bend, we ride harder with every friend. Dust and wind, the freedom calls, we chase the sound of distant falls. Ride with the flow, feel the breeze, laughing loud beneath the trees. Follow open spirits high, no need to ask the reason why. With the crew we find our way, turn the moments into days. Waterfalls and open roads, we're alive in every road. Ride with the flow, tires spin on gravel trails. Stories told through winds and sails. Campfire smoke and sky so wide. We're more than riders, we're a tribe. Splashing in the waterfall spray, soaking up the joy of the day. Every laugh a memory made in the sun or in the shade. Ride with the flow, feel the breeze, laughing loud beneath the trees. Follow open spirits high, no need to ask the reason why. With the crew we find our way, turn the moments into days. Waterfalls and open roads, we're alive in every road. Flashing in the waterfall spray, soaking up the joy of the day. Every laugh a memory made in the sun or in the shade. Ride with the flow, feel the breeze, laughing loud beneath the trees. Throttle open, spirits high, no need to ask the reason why. With the crew we find our way, turn the moments into days. Waterfalls and open roads, we're alive in every load. This is the life we crave, no regrets, just roads we pave. Fuel the soul, not just the tank. With every ride we say thanks. And the destination, just the vibe. On the edge, we feel alive. Splashing through the mist, feel the waterfalls embrace. Cooled by nature's touch, in this wild magical place. Rocks and water dance, as we dive into the thrill. The sun's warm on our backs, as the waters rush we feel. Hearts are racing, eyes are wide, in this crystal paradise we take a ride. Falls are roaring and we're diving in, letting go of worries where the fun begins. Swimming in the falls where the wild waters play, catching rainbows in the spray, dancing in the waves. In the heart of nature where the world's alive, we're swimming in the falls, feeling so alive. We're shedding all our fears. Hearts are racing, eyes are wide, in this crystal paradise we take a ride. The falls are roaring and we're diving in, letting go of worries where the fun begins. Swimming in the falls where the wild waters play, catching rainbows in the spray, dancing in the waves. In the heart of nature where the world's alive, we're swimming in the falls, feeling so revived.
Sarap dito. Anong hila na yun? Hindi quality yung mga gawa. Dito ang dami yung nangyayari sa akin.
Pisuon lang! Pisuon at kasiyasay!
Loko.
Eh, malok. Kumain. Dalo sa akin.
Kung ano mo, Lok, likod mo, ng kawayan. Sorry. Do, kuha ka lang do.
Thank you, Lok. Nandun, naiwan mo.
May cup ba doon na blue?
Yung...
Bye-bye, te. Thank you. Yeah, bye. Thank you.
Salamat po.
Pupunta ka kayo dito. Hindi na.
Next year, mag-uukay.
Magdala ng bako.
Balik po kami next year.
Ante, bye-bye. Ingat po.
Salamat po, salamat.
Thank you po. Nilagyan mo ng bayabas? Nagagana ka.
Matcha latte.
Matcha strawberry, guys. I-stretch mo yan siya, ma. Ganda. Pababa pala to.
Dili pwede dire. Okay ra dito man kay landong dito. Lugar.
Delikado dito ah.
Yung mga nasa vlog team.
Sun's setting low and the day's done. We've laughed and roamed, had so much fun. From morning mist to evening's glow, we've lived a day we'll always know. As the campfire fades and the stars appear, wrapped in memories no longer falls forward to the quiet night's call. This adventure's been the best of all. So here's to the trails and the sky so wide, to the magic of the great outdoors and the nighttime tide. Tomorrow's a new day, and now we rest under the canopy, feeling truly blessed. Thanks for joining me, for sharing the sights, camping under the stars and the magical nights. See you on the next adventure, wherever we may roam. For now, good night from our nature's home.
Okay, go. Yan. dito.
Thanks for joining me, for sharing the sights, camping under the stars, and magical nights. See you on the next adventure, wherever we may roam. For now, good night from our nature's home.
Voice?
We're gonna drive.
Ako na mag-drive.
Let's go, let's go.
Ako naman ako.
Uy, saan yung bag ko?
Dito tayo sa ano.
I know.
This is the Eggers Band once again. Do we hear that song, everyone? That you never heard before. Come on, everybody, sing! Muna sa malate, alas 7 ng gabi. Naglalakot tuloy itong magandang babae na nakabibigani sa aking mga mata. Hindi ko lang alaman.
Melissa kasi mansari yata.
Anong mansari?